Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my channel 100 Coiner. And today's video, it is going to be about the deadly death cross, right? So this death cross, it can be seen on daily charts for Bitcoin. So I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to tell you guys what a death cross means. And if you stick to the very end of this video, I'm also going to tell you how I am planning to play this big move in the BTC charts, right? But first of all, if you guys are new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button, right? So you keep on getting the daily updates from my side. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just jump into the charts. Let's see what is going on and let's get to know about this death cross which is going to happen. So right now I am on the daily chart for Bitcoin, and as you can see, since the time we started dropping from 57,000, this drop is still going on. We broke the 200 days moving average and we are still below the 200 days moving average. We try to make these attempts, but they have continuously failed. So we are below the 200 days moving average. Now something which is now going to happen in the charts. If you see these two important indicators, the red one which you are seeing, that is the 50 days moving average, and this blue one, it is the 200 days moving average, right? So now whenever on a chart, right, whenever the 50 days moving average actually crosses the 200-day moving average and comes below it, it is known as a death cross, right? So let me just try to map it out for you so we can so this is how I believe the 200 days moving average will move. And let's say this is how the 50-day moving average is going to move. So we can expect both these averages to cross somewhere around 14th, 15th, or maybe 16th June, right? Now, what is actually the impact of this death cross? First of all, a death cross is actually a bearish sign. So it's like bears are taking more control on the charts, and we'll go through the past scenarios. We'll see how these death crosses they have been playing, and then we'll come to a conclusion that what can we expect from this particular death cross, right? So what I'll do, I'll first of all take you back into the charts. Let's go back into the charts. So out here you can see that the 50 days moving average that has been above the 200 days moving average for throughout this bull run, right? We were above. Let's go back further back. Okay, so this big dump you're seeing, this is actually the dump which happened because of the pandemic, right? So out here the 50 days moving average actually came below the 200 days moving average. Now let me also tell you that the death cross is actually a lagging indicator, right? So this indicator comes after a move is played, but that is not always the same case. In this case, because this was actually, I'll say, an exception, such cases are exception when such big dumps come. So like we got the big dump and then the 50 days moving average, it came down, the death cross happened, but the market at this point of time, the market started recovering, right? So we took some time to again come back, and then we moved up into this whole run. But let's go back to other charts, because this is I'll say this was an exception. So let's go back and let's see what else has been happening. So here as well we see that the 50 days moving average, it went below the 200 days moving average, and as it went below it, we can see the market it started falling, and then it went sideways trying to find some support. This was, I think, $7,000 level where it was doing this move. But this is again a small cycle. I'll try to consider the 2017 cycle, because that will be a good one. We can like compare these two cycles. So let's go back in the past. Even out here we see a death cross happened. So what happened after it? A death cross happened, right? The market came to a bottom. Then again it bounced back, tried to test the 200 days level, but it was not able to pass it. And then again this whole downtrend continued. It found again a lower low, and it remained in this bearish territory when this death cross came. I think here it is. Here we have the 2017 cycle. So we were like riding the 200 days moving average, and when the death cross happened out here, so since then we saw a long bear market. So this was like the first attempt to cross the 200 days moving average. It failed. Again it came down, yeah, and the market kept on dumping. So this is what happened in 2017. Now something this is we are seeing the 2017 charts, because something we'll try to find is are we going to follow a similar pattern? Are we going to see a similar longer bull run as it happened in 2017? Or are we going to see something like this? If you see out here, a death cross happened, but despite this death cross, we came out of it. We came out of it in a couple of attempts, and then I think this run continued. So this is also one case. In fact, this whole bull run continued after that. Right, so we are coming back now to the live charts. Okay, so how am I seeing this particular death cross? I believe that definitely one of the dump has come, but I still don't feel that this is going to be like the $30,000 level is going to be the bottom for this death cross. I still feel that we might go further down, and we might test levels of like 25,000 or maybe 24,000, right? And then we bounce back from there. So I'm not feeling that we are going in a long bear cycle, but I feel like even after making this death cross, we are slowly going to continue the move, and then in the coming months we'll again cross back the 200 days moving average. But if I talk in perspective of BTC price, I don't think again that this is the bottom 30,000. I think we will go further down, and I'm expecting to see levels around 25, 26, and we don't know, like if there are any other bad news, even we can see lower levels. So that is also possible. So this is how I am seeing this death cross to play, and this is how in fact I'm going to like make my strategy around, right? So I'm really looking forward to BTC price to going to these levels around 26, 25, right, and make them like buying opportunities. If I can get even lower levels, like anything around 22,000, 20,000, in fact they'll be great buying opportunities. But we still have to see, we still haven't broken 30,000, so we still have to see how this move continues. But this is what I am looking forward from this death cross. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Do you think that we have already faced the dump and now BTC is going to pump, right? And maybe we don't even see the cross happening. If we make some big moves to the upside, this this whole move can like go sideways, and it can just touch the 200 days average and go up, right? So that can also happen, but right now it looks like the cross will happen. So let me know in the comment section what do you guys feel, right? And if you guys liked the video, please do give a thumbs up. It really helps the channel in growing. It really helps the algorithm, and we can reach more people with it. And if you guys are new to the channel, again, please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to give you all the updates on BTC price, on the altcoins, and you can get them here directly on 100 Coiner. So thanks a lot everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot for your time. I'll be seeing you guys again maybe tomorrow with the next update. Till then, take care. Bye bye.